Blunt takes it. Blunt takes it for the steal. Set the ball. Diniega attack. No problem to boy. Drop ball. Diniega ready once again. Diniega. Another steal. And still Din. Sagupa. All three. Number 2. Outside. Or rather number 21. Miss Ruby. Still, Diniega on the service lane for health department. Diniega on the serve. All three. Chance ball. Chance ball. All three. Without water. All three. Set the ball. Another chance ball by the head. Batuka set the ball. Sagupa. It's not over. Oto check. Si Audrey. Pagod na yata. Of swimming without water. Si Audrey. And still, Diniega. Audrey set the ball. To Boy. Outside the Boy. Ayan si Mr. Alfred Bernis. Tasap ka? Ayan. Salakupang on the service lane. Service is good. It's open. Norgan is attacked. And still Diniega. Over by Kuto. It's a chance ball. Chance ball. Ati Jopay Lim. And still Roa for attack. All three. Outside. Left, kasap, left. Left, kasap. Nangangamoy, set. Nangangamoy ba na? 15. Left, dito sa tabi kayo. Sa tabi kayo ng left kayo. Hindi kayo nakikita naman. 5 in, 15 out. Pasok 5. Ito pa. A little girl. Sino tatawagin mo? Sino? 30? Joyce. Oh, Joyce! Dito ko muna. Joyce. Yeah, 30 out, 60. Pwesto, Joyce. Yeah. Thank you for your cooperation. Sa Nagubang. Pinapalog ka ni sister. Sa Nagubang. Wow! Ang ganda naman. Tulis na.